Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a cool grid effect using Microsoft PowerPoint. It's super simple and adds a creative touch to your slides. Let's get started. First, insert your image. In my case, I'll copy an existing image and paste it into a new slide. Move the image aside for now. Go to the Insert tab. Click Table. Select Insert Table. Choose the number of columns and rows based on your preference. For this tutorial, I'm using 7 columns and 9 rows. Now, resize and reposition the table to match your slide. Copy the image again before moving forward. Next, select the table. Right-click. And choose Format Shape. Under Shape Options, go to Fill and Line. Choose Picture or Texture Fill. Tick the Tile Picture as Texture option. Adjust transparency to make the grid effect more visible. Select the table. Use Scale X and Scale Y to adjust size to fit the table. Use Offset X and Offset Y to move the image horizontally or vertically as needed. Once done, delete the original image, we don't need it anymore. Congratulations! You've successfully turned an image into a grid effect. Want to add some style? Try these, select specific table cells and adjust their transparency for a unique effect. Insert text. Click Insert tab. Text box. Type your text and customize the font, color, and style. Ta-da! Now we have a stylish and creative slide. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Learning something new always brightens your day. See you in the next video.